2021, new year, new me. I'm back. We're gonna make some new videos, some new content. This time it's not gonna be just about dragon fruit. So this time it's gonna be more about exotic ingredients and that are semi-local to the grocery store. Anyway, let's kick it off with the new video. Today we are going to be making nut butter. I got some almonds, some pecans, and some Brazilian nuts. Oh yeah, so let's get to it.
Okay, so start off by putting your favorite nut in your food processor. In this video, I will be showing the pecan and almond butter versions of nut butters. I did do Brazilian nut as well, but I didn't film that because I felt like it was the same process for all of them. When you are making the nut butter, just make sure you blend it the entire time. There's no need to pulse it or anything. So just have it on that higher speed or whatever, and make sure you scrape the sides as you go, otherwise it won't combine correctly. In this part of the section, I was just showing the moisture coming off of the pecan and Brazilian nuts because they're so much more wet versus the almond was much more like dry. The butter really actually like comes together really quite well. It's surprising that a simple little nut has all that moisture in it. You know what really does help is roasting the nut. If you like the taste of roasting nuts or roasted nuts, this might be the way for you. If not, that's okay. You can have it salted or unsalted. The one that is showing right now, I put cinnamon, salt, and sunflower seeds and flax seed. You can put any kind of like seasoning or herb or whatever in. Like in the almond butter, I put chia seeds. I thought it would be kind of nice having that little like texture. As the process continues, it goes from solid to liquid, back to solid, maybe a mixture of both. It might become super crumbly. It all depends on what kind of nut you're using and how long you mix it for. All of these nuts tended to take about 10-ish minutes. If you have a different food processor that can do more, I highly recommend that if you do a nut butter, that you get a food processor that is not cordless. Mine was cordless and it took forever because it just kept dying because of the high speeds I was using. I also recommend that you get a food processor that can handle more than 5 cups. Otherwise, it's going to take a long time to get a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.